Okay, so now you're live streaming on YouTube. Is that fair?
Yes, ma'am. It's gonna let me know when I'm live. Okay.
Okay, so now you're live streaming on YouTube.
Okay, I got mine muted. I want to make sure I'm live. Yes, we are live, Judy. It's showing we are live. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's look on our would you mind going to our group and clicking on it and see if that link is live? Good morning. This is Tyree Thomas Jr. and Miss Judy Robin Gunn. While she's checking to make sure we're live, we're on YouTube doing our weekly Forex trading hit list. And before we get started, we want to make sure that everything is working. We're still testing our YouTube. And again, we want to make sure that everything is working. The live streaming software is working. Just not showing back here. Let me see something.
So if I click on here. No.
It doesn't show that it's live?
No. It says your connection's not private. Okay. Privacy error. Wait a minute.
On YouTube. It's telling me to connect it to go live. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and do the hit list, and then
it's not working in the group.
Okay, so I wonder if I need to copy this again and put it in the group again. Let me see. Okay, that link just not live then. That's what it is. Okay, so I'll go ahead and we'll go ahead and go through the hit list first, and then after we finish the Zoom, if it's not too late in Australia, if it's not too late for you, we'll correct that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so let me put this over here. Okay, now we're gonna start, Judy. We're gonna start our weekly hit list.
Okay.
Let me go over here a little bit. Start with ACAD. Okay, now we'll start a weekly hit list. This is our Forex trading weekly hit list using the Delorean strategy. Judy, how are you this morning?
I'm very well, thank you. It's evening for me here in Australia.
Yeah, what part of Australia are you in, Judy?
I'm in Perth, Western Australia. And because it's evening, on the internet, you can trade in your PJs or clothes. You have a choice.
Oh, that's right. London session is midday for you, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. That's so cool. Okay, so this strategy is the Delorean strategy is a strategy, a course in IM Academy that was created by Mr. Tyrone Foster, and on his team is his Delorean Go Live strategy team is Mr. Patrick Kinney and Mr. Ava Melendez. They're also educators in IM Academy. Now, this strategy is there are two steps in the Delorean strategy that we use, two other strategies that makes up that strategy. We use to create this hit list. One part of the strategy is called Blue Wave strategy, and the other part of the strategy is the 3-day cycle strategy. Those strategies can be learned in the course, and you can contact Judy, myself. We have a link in our description where you can click to get more information on how you can learn this strategy. And we do get pips, and we'll go over that as we move forward. We'll show what we did last week. And we also use this to create 3 different lists. We create a Forex trading list, right, Judy?
Yeah.
And Judy, what 2 other lists?
We have a Forex list. We have a binary list, and we have a Forex and a binary list.
Yes. And what you mean by Forex and binary, any pair that qualifies to be on the Forex and binary list, we call that our superstar pair, and we put it on a list. And we have three colors, three different colors to identify each list. What are those colors, Judy?
Well, so we have orange for binary, we have purple for Forex, and we have green when it's binary and Forex.
Yes, ma'am. And then pairs I like to trade, which I'll put those in red, but I always wait until we finish with this, and I'll come back and put the three that I like in red. And the three that I like every week is GCAD, EA, and ECAD. Those are my three favorite pair to trade. And even if they don't fall on the list, I still use them anyway. Now, before I get started, I do want to let you know that last week, AJ, which is orange over here, qualified for our binary list. And I did very well on AJ last week with binary. So this does work. And I'm not allowed to show my results because they are on my live account. But I can tell, and if I do, that would be against regulations. But I can tell you that I did do it, and I'll start doing some binary live shows showing everyone how to use this strategy for binary. And if they want to know, Judy, that's a strategy that I'm going to show you so that we all can be able to use that together. And we're going to form a binary trading team so that we'll all be able to use the same strategy. And if four of us are looking at four different pairs, but we have the same strategy, how powerful would that be if we can all see the same thing on different pairs and call those out and and trust each other enough to take the same trades? That's
going to be awesome.
Yes, ma'am. We can take 4 or 5 trades and be done in a short time because we don't have to find all of the trades ourselves.
No.
Which is the same reason why we love the Delorean software trading tool itself, because it finds pairs for us without us having to look on the market. Now, Judy, one thing I will tell you is that Thursday and Friday also, I use the Delorean tool not just to find trades for trading Forex, but whatever pairs were on. Matter of fact, let me show you real quick. I'm gonna do this and then we'll go to trading. And we'll do this list. I forgot I want to show you this. Get this control thing out of the way. There we go. I can get to the address bar. And I know we were gonna start, but I want to do this first. Now the market is closed, so I can't show you this too. The market is closed. But what I do want to show is just say like GU. When the pair call out, when I see GU, I will go to GU and I see what it's doing. So then I will go on my regular chart, Trader View chart, and I'll go there and to the time frame that we trade binary. And because this DeLorean was working, I go to GU and I go to that smaller time frame, and I would use this to find binary trades. And like right now, I'm thinking, okay, see here, it won't do it now, I guess, because the market is closed.
I don't think it loads it when it's closed.
Okay, so I can use that to go down to that time frame, and I can see what I can do. And I can literally use this to trade binary, this tool. Yes, I'll show you that. See how powerful that is? So this would also find trades for me, even for me to be able to trade binary. And just like GCAD, I can click on GCAD. And when the market is open, this would allow me to go down to a smaller time frame. It may not show right now, but see how it goes to the 5-minute time frame? And I can go here, and this is 5 minutes. And I'll explain later. You see over here it says the market is closed, but I'll explain when the market is open how I use this to trade binary. Right now it's not showing the 1 minute because it is closed. But again, I'll show you how this can also help us trade binary, okay?
Okay.
And let me log out of this. I've been doing some work to make it even better for us to trade. So let me go back. Now we're going to start, and like last week, these bars, this bar here represents the beginning of last week. You won't see it at the end of this week because the market hadn't started. But if you see last week, the week before it started, that was the week before, and then when it finished, it did look like what I just showed you, but then when the week started, it showed you that this was a new week. So saying that, last Sunday when the market opened, this is where the pair was. And just to measure, now ACAD did not make our list at all, but this is what it did. It did 75 pips. It didn't make our list. But AJ made our binary list, and I'm gonna do this and then I'll go. Now, I'll show you how I was able to do it. Since it made our binary list, it started Sunday. I was able to trade Sunday all the way to 93. So I caught on binary. I caught some of those 90-some pips going up and going down. And then when, as you can see, this is Wednesday, I was still using AJ to trade binary. And when I did, all this going up all the way until the market closed, I used AJ to trade binary. So
that was a good trade, that one.
Yes, ma'am. And all I did, and since AJ was still giving me easy binary trades, I didn't really have to go to my other binary list. I just benefited off of trading AJ in binary all week last week. And I've been testing that strategy for the past 2 weeks, you know, to be able to do it like that. And this week, Judy, I'll share that with you this week as we're trading, because as soon as we finish this binary hit list, Judy, I'm going to show you how to use I'm going to share with you the strategy that God showed me in the DeLorean that we can use to trade binary, okay?
Okay, yep.
Okay, so right now with AJ, do we see that, I mean, ACAD, does it qualify for our binary?
Yes.
Okay, so we know it does. Now, we want to see, does it qualify for Forex? Let me make it a little larger. Does AJ qualify for Forex? I mean, ACAD qualify for Forex?
Yeah, you got to measure it though.
Well, I did, and you can't really see it because remember, let me see. This is the blueberry. I just have it purple.
Yeah.
Okay, see what price is right here?
Yeah.
Now price is sitting right on the blueberry. And on that and that strategy, the blue wave strategy says it has to be we're not going to say how many pips because we don't want to give away that juice. We want them to join with us, but you'll see where it's sitting right on the blueberry. Yeah. In the blue wave strategy, it tells you that it has to be a certain amount of pips away from the blueberry to qualify. So it doesn't qualify for the Forex list, but there are certain numbers that it needs to fall on according to the strategy that God showed me for trading binary, using the Delorean strategy to trade binary. It fell on a certain number for us to use for binary.
That's right.
Okay, so right now we can actually see, and I can tell you right now that AJ is on the third level.
ACAD.
ACAD is on the third level for Forex, and even though it doesn't qualify. So I'm gonna say A is on the third level, setting up for, I'm gonna say binary. What is that price point, Judy?
0.94970.
Okay. Now it's sitting right on the blueberry. So we'll say really no pips. And if I did try to measure that, so I know how far it is, it's not even 3 pips.
No.
Okay, now what I will do, and I'll say it's setting up for a sale. It's on the third level, setting up for a BTS sale. So I write down third level, BTS sale, so I'll know. and I'll say on the blueberry. Okay, Judy?
Yeah.
So I wrote ACAD third level BTS
No,
sale.
ACAD, yeah. Yeah, you're
ACAD
right.
BTS third level BTS sale on the blueberry. And I'll mark that. We mark that. Do we mark that with a check or a star, Judy?
Star
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
and orange.
And just so you can see, okay, one level. Yeah. One level, two level, three level, and it's setting up. It's gonna sell some more. Yeah. Now let me look on the 4 hour time frame real quick. See, the 4 hour time frame is on a buy. So right now, this is not completed. It's on a 4 hour time frame of that strategy. Is this part of the strategy is called a BTS. So it's still gonna do some buying, which that's why it's doing a sell on the 15-minute, because it's got to complete this buy on the 4 hour. So we can say 4 hour BTS, 4 hour buy BTS. This lets me know how to trade this this give me a strong indication of what direction to trade on the lower time frame, what direction to trade the binary on the lower time frame. That's what, and as I say, I'll go over this and show you so you get a deeper understanding. And that's when I see this buy on the 4 hour, that's why on the 15-minute it's setting up like a sale, because the sale on the 15-minute is just basically a pullback for the buy on the 4 hour. Okay. Now we go to HF. Did it qualify for the binary?
No.
Okay. And it didn't qualify last week either. So we're gonna measure how many pips. It didn't qualify for Forex,
No.
so we move on. Just get through this. Did it qualify for binary?
No.
So we take that off. Now we'll see if it qualifies for Forex. This is AJ using the blue wave strategy and the 3-day cycle strategy. We're creating a hit list, and there's also a training that show you how to create a hit list in the Delorean Forex strategy. And I'm on with Ms. Judy Gunn, and I'm Tyree Thomas Jr. Do they qualify for the Forex, Judy?
No.
Okay, so we'll move on. And I'm not gonna say what, if they want to know how to do the strategy, we'll just there'll be a link in our description to get in contact with us to learn how to do the strategy. And we use the education that is used in the IM Academy. IM Academy that teaches you Delorean strategy that teaches how to do that. Do this qualify, Judy?
Yeah. Yes.
For Forex?
Yeah.
Look at it again.
No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. No.
Okay, now does it qualify for binary?
No.
Okay, so we move on to AUD. Now, does AUD qualify for
Not
binary?
for binary. No.
Let's see if it qualifies for Forex. Does it qualify for Forex?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna do it again. I'm measuring for price down to the blueberry.
Oh, down to there. Oh no, it doesn't. No.
Okay, so we move on to the next pair. And then when you see pairs and a B, that's Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. We can also use this strategy for cryptocurrency too, and I'll show you that next week also. Okay, Judy? And the crypto market stays open 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. So how powerful it is that we can use this also. Let me check something real quick. Is this moving? See, the crypto market is still open. See that, Judy?
Yeah, that's
So if we
right.
wanted to, we can trade crypto, and we can also use it to trade the crypto strategy on the weekend. On the weekend, the Forex market is closed to the public. Now, does this qualify for binary?
Yes, it does.
Okay, so we know it qualifies for binary, and it did last week, so we're going to see if it qualifies for Forex. Does it qualify for Forex?
No.
Okay, so we'll keep binary. Now, this is CAD. I believe, yeah. Last week, I went and checked to see what pairs that we had qualified on our list for binary. I checked to see which one of those pairs were actually on the binary platform, binary trading platform.
Well, this one was.
Yes, ma'am. And the ones that we selected, I took them off last week after I finished. So this is on there. So we know that CAD, CHF qualifies for binary. And how many pips? It didn't qualify for Forex, but I still went down the pips. So it's 16. Yeah, 16 pips. And what's the price point? We can always look over here if this is easy.
0.69320.
Okay, that's binary on it. And then this is okay, so this right now is gonna still trade away because it just on a pullback. And this basically is on a second, it's resetting. So the 15-minute reset. And it's the blue wave strategy that tells me that it's on a 15-minute reset. And since it was trending up, I'll say buy reset. Okay, Judy? 15-minute buy reset. 15-minute buy reset. And so that means it should be on the 4-hour time frame. This here is it's on the second level right now. Yes, let's see. Okay, yeah, it's on the second level. It's on the second level. Because if it was on the third level, the EMAs would, I'm not gonna say which EMAs, but the EMAs would be in a different position, okay, Judy? So right now it's on the second level. See here, this is first level, second level, okay? That 3-day cycle teaches you how to identify the levels. So we go to 4-hour time frame. See, on the 4-hour is on the first level. See?
Yeah.
And again, I'll help you understand how to use these EMAs to tell you what level it's on. Okay?
Yeah.
Now, make a note that we come back to CAD Chef, because I'm gonna explain it to you when we get through, because it's in a very good position for me to explain it. See, go back to C. I'm making a note. Go back to CHF to explain how to identify the levels. It's in a perfect position. Okay, so we know that we got this on a buy. See, CAD Chef is buy first level. On the 4-hour is buy first level. Buy trend first level. Okay, Judy?
Yeah.
So for CAD Chef should have 15-minute buy reset, 4-hour buy trend first level. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Now we go to CAD JPY. That's not on the binary chart. Now we want to see how far it is from here. Does it qualify, Judy, for the
No.
okay? And we don't even look at it for binary because even though it finished on a number that we wanted, it still does not fit. It's not a part of the binary platform as far as a pair to trade. So we go to this. Then does it qualify for binary, Judy?
No.
Okay, so we're gonna see if it qualifies for Forex. And does it qualify for Forex?
No.
Okay, so we move on and we take it off. Now and then the D is the dollar. Let me see what the dollar look like right quick. The dollar is going down. So we know that any USD pairs will be going down. So we go to ECAD. Now, I have these in red because these are my favorite pairs. So EA. Does it qualify for binary on EA, Judy?
No.
It doesn't, but I still trade it on binary, depending on. But I'll explain that later. Now, let's see if it qualifies. Now, EA. Do you remember the 5 wise men, Judy?
Oh, no.
You don't have to remember the name of the pairs. Do you remember that the 5 wise men is part of the
Yes, I do. Yeah.
Okay. Now, it does not qualify, even though the 5 wise men give you an additional 25 pips. But looking at this, would it qualify?
Yeah.
Look at this number.
No.
Okay,
no.
There you go. So, see, I still write down EA anyway. You don't have to make a note of this, but I write it down because it's one of the ones that I trade. And it's on is 83 pips. And it's in a sale. Is on a 15-minute sale. And and is going to, is approaching the 3rd level. Is actually on the 2nd level, so it's got some more to fall. And again, I'll explain it to you. It's on the 2nd level right now. Okay.
Yep.
Let me see. Sale trend. 15-minute sale trend. And it's on the 2nd level. Hadn't made the 3rd level yet. And again, I can look at the EMAs and let me know if it's made the 2nd level yet. 4th level or 3rd level, whatever level it's on. So when I look at this, see again, it's approaching. It hadn't finished. According to these EMAs, it's on a sell trend, but according to these EMAs, it's not. It hadn't completed that. So I'm gonna move on, and I'll come back and explain this. So I'm gonna speed up a little bit more, but I'll come back and explain this on the 4 hours. 4 hour, it was on a 2nd level. Let me go back. 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hours on the 2nd level, did a BTS, 4-hour BTS completion. It's gonna come back and test that though. 4-hour BTS sale, 2nd level sale. Okay, let me move on to another pair. And that price point, I forgot to write the price point down for EA. Is one.
What is it? 1.63326.
1.63326. Okay. Okay, and I'll take that off. After we get through, I'll come back and put it on for my purposes. Now I go to ECAD. Let me take those lines off because I use those lines for a certain strategy. Now let me tell you something real quickly. Now looking at this, this tells me that is caught in between a sell zone, okay, Judy?
Yeah, I can
A
see
buy
that.
zone because it's above the zone, and this is a sell, so this is why it's in consolidation, because it's caught between two zones. That's what that's telling me. And what is it doing? Consolidating, just ranging. That's what I use that for, and it really tells me what to look for. So right now, ECAD, does that qualify? Because it's not one of the five wise men. So does
No, it doesn't. No.
Okay, does it qualify for binary?
Yes, it does.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so does it get a star, Judy?
Yep.
What
Orange.
color? Orange, that's right. Okay, and it was 81 pips. And what's the price point?
1.55160.
Okay, and it was 81 pips away. And right now it's setting up for a, wow, this is gonna be nice. It's setting up for a buy BTS. It's not done yet, but it's setting up for a buy BTS. 1, 2, yeah, it's setting up for a buy. It's on its way down to the third level. Is right now it's stuck, is halfway completing the third level. It's on its way. So we say a 15-minute sale.
Oh, you just said buy.
It's almost on its way. It's setting up for, this is going to be a setup for me to look at as a 15-minute sale. It's on a sale trend right now. And I know because of the position of the EMAs that is not through. It's like in the middle of that. It is in the middle of completing that third level.
Okay.
So it still got some more drop to go before it can complete that third level and then turn into a BTS buy. Okay. So right now it's still in a 15-minute sale, 15-minute trend sale. And I'll say third level. So I know it's almost done. And if I go to the 4-hour, you'll see where it's almost completing a buy. So we'll go to the 4-hour. See right here, this tells me, according to these EMAs, that it's not through yet, but is on the second level right now. Is on the second level of the sell trend. It's got to go down some more before it completes that sell, so it can turn into a buy. And again, because of the position of these EMAs, I'll show you. And if we use the KTP, the Cobain trading plan taught us by the Curtis Cobain branch, it'll make it even clearer. But I'll show you that after we get through. So don't really count on this just yet, because I don't want to confuse. But we'll say 4-hour first level sell trend. Four-hour first level sell trend. Okay. Okay, now we move on to the next one. And it did qualify for binary, so we'll leave it orange. Move on to the next one. Does it qualify for binary, Judy?
No.
Okay, let's see if it qualifies for Forex. Does it qualify for Forex?
Yes.
Okay, that's 28 pips. So the 15-minute is not through yet. So we can, that's gonna end up, it's still got some more dropping to do. And it's on the second level. It's getting ready to complete the third level, but right now it's 28 pips. And what, see, what's the price point?
is 1.07538.
Okay. And it qualifies for Forex, so they get a star. Doesn't qualify for
No, it
binary.
gets a tick.
Thank you. I just said that, see if you were gonna correct me and see if I was, you know, you don't catch me. I know you already know it. So right now we say it's a 15-minute, it's in a 15-minute sale trend, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And this part of the blue wave strategy would be trade away from the blue, and then what, Judy?
Comes back to you.
Yes, ma'am. So that's the other reason to let me know it's still in these sales. So right now, this is on this should be on the second level, and on should be second level on the 4-hour BTS. And it's reset. So yeah, it's in the middle. It's in a 4-hour, is resetting. So it's on its way to complete the first level. I'm looking at these EMA, so it really has a lot more dropping to do. Okay. So I'll say 4-hour reset. And it's like in a sale right now. So I'll say 4-hour sale reset. So it really has a lot more dropping to do. 4-hour sale reset. Yep. It sure has a lot more, because looking at these EMAs, they had they so close. Yeah, it is a sale reset. So this does have some more dropping to do. Right here, yeah. It barely completed the first. Man, this is gonna be a good pair for well, it's gonna be a good pair for Forex next week.
Forex, it is,
Yes,
yeah.
ma'am. And you can see where it just basically came back and tested a level from last week where it started. It came back. This is where it started last week, and it came back to that same point. So that's actually, yeah, this is going to be man, I'm going to love this one. What color should it get, Judy?
This one's a purple.
All right. Loving this. This is going to be a good one next week. Okay. So now we go to the next one. Does it qualify for binary, Judy?
No.
Okay, let's see if it qualifies. And just so you know, this little dotted line right here, that's the spread line. The line here is actually the price point. And this line is the line that it's the spread line, because you got the bid and the ask, right?
Yeah.
So this one line is a bid, the other line is an ask, and they can also get the training, go into the IM Academy training to help them identify which one is the bid and which one is the ask, and the purpose of each one and that each one serves. So now we're gonna say, we're gonna say this qualify for Forex. Does it qualify for Forex, Judy?
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta remeasure because I clicked. Now that's 36 pips.
36.
I'm sorry this is going so long, but this week is gonna be a busy week. Looking at how these are setting up, so it means we have to do a little more analyzing. And what's the let's see, what's the price point?
0.90639.
0.90639, and does it get a star or a check?
They get star. No, check.
Okay. And what color should it be?
Purple.
All right, purple. Now this is in a sale trend. Okay. So we say 15-minute sale trend is trending down. And then the main reason why it's trending down, because this was the high. It didn't come back and break the high. It created a lower high. This is the high and lower high. Okay.
Yeah.
So it broke this high, but it didn't break this high. and then it started back coming down. And because it broke this low, see, it broke this low. That tells me out there broke this low, that it's still in a sell trend. Do you agree?
That's right. Yeah.
Okay, so we'll say a 15-minute sell trend. I've just given them a secret to understand how to tell how to tell when something is in a buy or a sell. And this would be trade away from the blue. What, Judy?
As it comes back to you.
That's right. So if it comes back to you, which direction would the trend would be?
Sell.
Okay, it's trading away right now.
So it's selling now, and that's going to come back to a buy.
Okay, thank you. Okay, 15-minute sale. And so that means that since it's in a sale trend, this is going to be first level sale on a 4 hour. So let's see. See, first level is getting ready to create this. I'll call it a second level then, because it created the first level. Now it's on the second level, so it's got some more to go too. I'll explain this. I'll just check, and so it's a second level 4 hour BTS sale. So 4 hour, just say 4 hour sale trend, second level. 4 hour sale trend, second level. Okay. So we know that this got some more dropping to do too. Now we go to EJ. Does EJ qualify for
Yep, binary.
So what's the, and let me measure the pips. Does it qualify for Forex?
No.
Okay. So
how many pips are
it was 66 pips. And what's the price point?
124.923.
Star or check?
Star.
Okay. And this on a 15-minute buy trend. That's what it's on. And what is it doing to the purple, Judy? Is it trading away or trading to it?
It's trading. You make that a bit bigger. I can't see.
Okay, just one moment. Can you see the, let me see, can you see the purple now?
Oh, here it is. Yeah, okay.
And that's why it's in a buy trend. And I can tell right now it's completed the first level and it's in the middle of the second level. So it should be a 4 hour reset on a buy. Probably a 4 hour, probably on the first level of the 4 hour. So the 15-minute is a buy trend, buy trend second level. Yeah, 15-minute buy trend second level. Okay, Judy? And we'll spend time, I'll help you understand this. So 4 hour. Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, 4 hour. Yes, 4 hours first level. This tells me it's completed the first level. So I'll say 4 hour first level buy. 4 hour buy trend. And let me see. Yes, it's completed the first level, just about the first level. So it's on the second level. I say second level. Yeah. Yep. 1 and did this is a good example.
Yeah,
Judy,
you need to
remember?
make that orange.
Okay, orange. Okay, I'm real quickly, something we learned from Mr. Curtis Cobain Branch. Shout out to Curtis Cobain Branch. Remember this here? This here, remember drop, base, drop?
Yeah.
And then that means a sell, but rally, base, rally means it what?
Buy.
Okay, watch this here. Rally. What would this be?
It's your base, yeah.
And then what is it doing? Rally.
Yeah,
It rallied again.
base. Yeah.
Yeah, it based, and now it's on a rally. And just show you something I learned. This is just an example of what we learned in I Am Academy for different educators. This is considered a measured move. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm measuring the move, and then I'm gonna copy that move. I'm gonna clone it. And you should get 2 levels. So right now, I know that this buy should at least go here before it has another pullback. Okay.
Yeah.
Where before, if it decided to turn around, because you're guaranteed you should get 2 levels in a rise, no matter the 15-minute or 4-hour. Now, if now you see where my crosshair is, I'm gonna go over here. Look at that, Judy. Wouldn't that match up to a level?
Yeah.
So that tells you right now, if you want to swing trade this, you could get, it has from here to here, we just say to the bottom of this level, is almost completing this level right here. So just right now, we can see that we can start off the first week and get at least almost 50 pips between now and Tuesday. See that?
Yeah.
So this can be one that they really want to. I know this is one I'm going to trade for binary. So it's a 4-hour second level. I can get up to 50, and I'll explain this to you. I see 4-hour. Yeah, we got it, 4-hour second level buy. Yeah, I love this, Judy. Okay, so now let me stop getting so excited. Let me go to the next one. You are.
What time do you have to take your meds?
Oh, Judy, thank you. Could you explain what we're doing? We're creating hit lists while I go take these meds. Oh, thank you, Judy.
Okay. Okay, so we're creating a hit list for next week, and we're looking at all the pairs on the chart, and we check to see, we have a method that we check to see if it qualifies to trade it on binary, or if it qualifies to trade it on Forex, or maybe it will qualify to trade it on both. So it depends on the numbers, where it's at for binary, and for Forex, it depends on where it is on the chart. And we check on the 15 minutes, and then we check on the 4-hour, and we take notes. We work out how many pips we might be able to get. And then when we've done the hit list, we go through and pick out maybe 2 or 3 that we think are going to be really good for next week, and we trade those. So it allows us to prepare to trade for next week rather than just waiting for the market to open and then jumping in and, you know, trading without doing any investigation first. So your trading plan is very important. And when people said they lose a lot of money in the market, I really feel that's because they don't have a trading plan in place. So you have to create your trading plan and your management of your size of your account, and then you've got to stick to that. And if you stick to your plan and you always trade with those rules, I don't think you can go wrong. This is really very exciting and takes a while to learn. But I Am Academy has all that in the back office for you to learn.
All right. You know, I didn't check to see if anybody is watching. Let me go back here. Let me see if anybody's watching. No, not yet. Nobody's watching.
Oh, because it's morning for you over there, isn't it?
Yeah, and I didn't post in the I did not post in the Delorean group that I'm doing the hit list. Would you
Okay.
mind? Because they won't see it on your. Would you mind posting real quick in the Delorean group that we're doing the hit list on YouTube? We're doing it on my YouTube channel. And then I'll go back to where we were. And let me know when you're done, please, and then we can proceed.
Oh, can't spell. Okay.
Okay, now EN is in a
Oh, it's
50.
pending approval. You've got to wait to be approved.
Yes, ma'am. EN is a 15-minute sell trend and is in middle way of the third level. It's in middle way of the second level. Is midway of the second level, and I can tell that because of the position of the EMAs. 43 pips. This is EN, and it's one of the 5 wise men. Am I right, Judy?
Yeah.
And
And that qualifies for binary.
Yes, ma'am. So that's, what is the price point?
1.77330.
So does it qualify for binary, or does it qualify for Forex, or does it qualify for both?
What was the 43 pips? Oh, no, both.
So what color would this get?
This one gets a green.
Yeah, it's a superstar. Okay, so this is midway of the second level, so it should be at the beginning of the first level on the 4 hour. Yep. It just completed the first level. It's midway. Yeah. That doggone Colombo Washington helped me understand some things. So this still has some more drop to do. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So let me see. First level. Let me measure something real quick, Judy. Let me do it like this. I'll just go here. Pull it back, measure something. Oren Wright, again, taught me this.
Yeah, measure and move.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
And did it measure down, and it measure right down to that level too?
Yeah.
So that's where it's going. So we'll know right away. This is going to yield between Monday and Tuesday.
It's gonna be a sell.
And it's going to be a sell, but it's going to be at least 200 pips.
Mm-hmm.
So we know it's on a 4-hour sell trend. It's completed the first level, just pulling back and getting ready to do the second level. See, here's the first level, and I'll explain that. So we say 4-hour second level, 4-hour sell trend second level.
Mm-hmm. Got that.
Okay, 4-hour sell trend, second level. We know that's gonna be some pips on that, baby. So we can go to, and it gets the green. So now let me take these off. I don't want to confuse anyone on that. Just real quickly, this is a supply zone, no longer a buy zone, supply zone. So it is in a sale. And it stopped at a level like it's supposed to, which what it exactly showed on the 4-hour. So, okay, so we still grooving, Judy. Thank God for Mr. Curtis Cobain Branch. Now we go to EU. Did EU qualify for binary?
No.
But that's one of the favorite pairs of the educators.
Yeah.
So, but we'll take at it later. So, does it qualify for Forex?
No.
Okay, so we move on. Now we go into the pound pairs. Now, let me see. We're gonna does it qualify for binary?
Yes.
Over here?
Oh, hang on. Where is it? GBP
Right.
AUD. No, it doesn't. No.
Okay, let's see if it qualifies for Forex. Does it qualify for Forex?
Yes.
Okay, 30 pips. And this is GA. Okay, the 15-minute is in a 15-minute sale. Can you tell me why it's in 15? Well, I would like to know if you would agree with me about a 15-minute sale. First of all, the when the price points are under the EMAs, would there be a buy or sell?
No, that's a sell.
Okay, so we know the 15-minute sale and is on first level. It just completed first level. Let's see. Okay, it's in the middle of the second level. Okay, Judy? So we say second level sale, 15 minutes, second level sale trend. 15-minute sale trend, second level. So I mean the 4-hour should be in the 4-hour should be right at the buy. It's starting to sell. So it just completed the first level on the 4-hour. It's completing it now, almost. But it's in a 4-hour reset. When it's in a reset like that, that lets me know it's in the middle of a level. A 4-hour reset is a mid-level. What I've come to understand, a 4-hour reset, it means it's stuck in a level, in the middle of a level on the 15-minute, and you have to go to the 15-minute to see what level it is, okay? So, and right now it's a 4-hour second level reset, 4-hour, let me say it right, 4-hour sell reset second level. 4-hour reset second level. Okay. Yep. Second level. Okay, so it qualified for what, Judy?
Forex.
Okay, and what's the price point?
1.80059.
Okay, so we can move on, and I'll leave that color. I know we're taking a little longer than we did last week, but we're almost done. GCAD is also
Doesn't qualify for binary.
okay. Doesn't qualify for binary. It's in a sell trend. It hadn't broken that, so it's just on a pullback, and it's second level. It looked like it's BTS, but it's not done. It's still in the sell trend. It's trading back. Yeah. Well, okay. Let me see something. Yeah, second 4-hour reset. 4-hour reset sell trend because it didn't make that high yet. Okay, so it's 15-minute second level sale, 15-minute sale, second level sale trend. 15-minute sale trend, second level. And it's trading away.
Yep.
And it's on a 4-hour sale reset, second level. This is actually stuck in between the second and third level. It's completed the second level, and because these two MAs are together, is trying to go, completed the second, it's stuck in the second level. It's getting ready to start the second level right now so it can go down and complete a third level. Okay, Judy?
Mm-hmm.
That's why I say it's in the middle of the second level. It's stuck. It's resetting, but it's stuck. And I can see where the levels are. I can see this is the completion of the first level. So that's why I said that, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And I'll explain. I don't want to give away all the juice right now. When I show you how to tell the levels, then you'll understand, and we won't have to be so long from now on, okay?
Mm-hmm.
That's another training, and Colombo helped me understand this. And it's in it's in the strategy, but he helped me understand this because we learned the market maker method together, which became an easier strategy that Tyrone turned into the, I ain't gonna say he turned into, I don't know where he got the Delorean from. So this is 28 pips. So it qualifies for Forex. It does not qualify for binary. So we'll make it purple for right now, and I'm gonna come back and change it my color. So what's the price point?
1.71058.
And it gets a check.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now we go to pound, GCHF, pound.
Doesn't qualify for binary.
Okay, so does it qualify for Forex? Nope.
No.
So we keep it moving.
Mm.
Now I will tell you, I found that GCHF, GBP, CHF, it trades on binary, and it pays out a lot of times 75 to 80% on binary. And I traded this a little bit last week with Mr. Curtis Cobain Branch, who is also an educator in IM Academy. He teaches for crypto, but he also teaches us in the private mastermind that he has. He teaches us Forex and crypto. Now he's also teaching binary. So we go to GJ. GJ is one of the 5 wise men. Am I right, Judy?
Mm-hmm.
So does it measure up? I can tell you right now, it doesn't measure up for Forex? No. How about binary?
No.
So we move it, keep it moving, take that off. Now we go to GN. Is GN one of the 5 wise men?
I don't know.
Yes, ma'am, it is.
It is, okay.
So it's 32 pips. Does it qualify for Forex?
Yeah.
Okay, so in a 15-minute is in a sale. No, let me see. $15 minute is in a sale. It's almost It's in a second level. Wow, this just now starting to drop. This is not even through dropping. That's first level. That's first level. Wow, GN gonna have a long ways to go. GN gonna drop a lot this week. And I'll explain that later. So it's first level sale trend, 15-minute first level sale, 15 minutes sale trend first level. So that means that when I go to the 4 hour, this may be in a 4 hour reset. When I tell you 4 hour reset, see that? It's getting ready to complete the first level. So 4 hour. Well, actually, it's in a buy because of the EMAs on top. So it's completing the first level, first 4 hour buy trend, first level. I'll just say, yeah, because it's not even reset. I'll call it a reset, but 4 hour buy trend. Yeah. First level. Okay. Now let me go back and measure. I forgot to write down how many pips it was. And this,
11.
Oh, so it didn't even, why am I messing with this? It didn't even qualify. I thought it was, Judy, I'm sorry. It didn't even qualify for it, but I know it's going to sale. So
Yeah.
And it didn't qualify for buy now. I'm
You
gonna
still
take that.
have it. Check. You can still check it next week.
Yeah, I'm gonna put. I'll just say check this. That thing there's gonna do. It's gonna cut up next week. And it's at one. What's the price point?
1.95491.
And it was like 16 pips, I believe. Man, that right there sneaked in on me. This gonna be a killer next week. 17 pips. That right there was that one sneaked in. This thing gonna be real good next week, Judy. That's a hidden gem. And it's on it just like I said the first that thing there got some falling to do. Wow. And it came and trade and see. Watch this. Last week it traded away from the blue.
Yeah, this week it's coming back.
And now it's starting off this week to where it's going to trade away. And then come back. So yeah, so that confirmed that blue wave strategy is going to trade away. So it is in a sale trend. And it created that lower low. Yeah. That sneaked in. We wasn't supposed to see that one. Okay, let's measure this. Let me see. Does it qualify for Forex?
No.
Does it qualify for binary?
No.
So we keep it moving, we take that off. Now we only have 2 more pairs to analyze and we're done. Sorry it's taking so long. In CAD, let's see, does it qualify for binary?
Yep.
Let's see if it qualifies for Forex. Does it qualify for Forex?
No.
Okay, so what we'll say is in CAD, when we were trading with Curtis last week, we made pips off this on binary. So in CAD is how many pips? I'll say 19. And it's right now it's stuck in the middle. It hadn't completed the first level. It's stuck in the middle of the first level. Buy 15-minute first level buy trend is stuck. Is in midway. I say first level. So that means in the 4 hours it should be in a reset. See, 4 hour. It's almost completed. See, it's in the middle. It's in the middle. Remember on the 15 minute, I said it's stuck in the middle. So this confirms when I look at the 4 hour, it's stuck in the middle of a level. That is a very good example of what the levels are. So, but I won't go over there now because I don't want to give it away. So 4 hour buy trend. It is not resetting, it's a buy trend. First level. And the price point is what?
0.87475.
And this qualifies for binary?
Yeah.
So that tells me when the binary market opens up for Forex, I can start taking this and would it be a put or a call, Judy?
Cool.
That's right. And it's going to be a nice one too. And it was consolidating. See how it's consolidating? That's why I say, and I see where the EMAs are, the position of the EMAs. This is why when I see it consolidating, that tells me it's stuck, and it's stuck in the middle of a certain level. And that's why I said what I said, if they can hear that. So this helps me understand it's stuck, and because of the position of the EMAs, I know it's stuck in the middle of the first level. Okay?
Yep.
So this is binary. This gets a what color?
Orange.
Okay, now we go to NZDCHF. We see it's on EMA. See here it's on EMA, so we know it doesn't qualify for Forex.
And it doesn't qualify for binary either. Oh, yes, it does.
No, ma'am,
yes,
it doesn't trade binary.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
It doesn't. So we go to the next one. NZDJPY. Does it qualify for Forex?
No. Yeah.
No.
No. What is it? Is that 54? No.
That's right. And we don't even worry about binary. Now NU. Let's see NU.
No.
Okay, it doesn't qualify for Forex. Does it qualify for binary?
Nope.
Okay, so we keep them. Now we're on the last pair. We're on UCAD, last pair. Now I can tell that's setting up for a BTS sale. But let's see, let me measure it. And does it qualify for Forex?
No.
Okay, does it qualify for binary?
Nope.
Okay, we go to UCHF. Does it qualify for Forex?
No.
Does it qualify for binary?
No. Yes.
All right. So this is UCHF. So it's a 15-minute, and it's trading away, right, Judy?
Mm-hmm.
So it's in a 15-minute sell trend. And that's at 78. 15-minute sell trend. And I know it's trading away from the blue. Okay, so that means this should be like, it's in the middle of that third level. It hadn't completed it yet. That's why it's going into consolidation. See that?
Yeah.
And so that means there should be almost like it should be in the second level on the 4 hour, okay?
Mm-hmm.
It should probably be a reset on the 4 hour, or either, shall I say, almost at the beginning of the third level on the 4 hour. So let's see. See? at the beginning. See how these two are touching?
Mm-hmm.
So it's at the is right at the beginning of the it completed the first level. Now it's at the beginning of the second level. So this tells me that this has a lot of drops. So when I get ready to trade binary with this, I know what direction you think I'm going to be trading.
Sell.
Yes, ma'am. So the 4 hour sell trend, second level. Okay, what's the price point?
0.90923.
Okay, and it gets does it get a star or check?
A star.
Okay, and what color?
Orange.
Now that I just about got the, and next week, I want to see about starting our show in the morning. For me, which would be evening for you, evening times for you. Is that a better time to trade, to analyze the charts to trade? Okay,
Yes.
so I'm gonna do my best to start like about 5 o'clock CST AM my time. And what time would that be for you, Judy, in Australia?
6 o'clock at night.
Okay, so I'm gonna do my best to do at least an hour in the morning of analyzing what may happen in the kill zone, because that's what these lines represent, kill zone. And that'll give us a good setup for what may happen for the trading day of that kill zone time. And
Okay.
at the same time, it'll really start helping understand the benefit of using this. Now, what are your favorite pairs to trade?
No, I didn't really have favorite pairs.
Okay.
GCAD is probably one.
Okay.
And EA, I used to trade EA all the time.
And what we'll do, we'll start off analyzing those pairs first. Okay.
Okay.
And if we don't find anything on those pairs that are set up to trade, then we'll go ahead and go through our hit list to see if we'll find something. But if we find something on those, we'll just take those trades. We might show what the hit list is doing, but we don't necessarily have to use them. Okay.
Okay.
That'd be less confusing. Okay. So we got that. Now we move on to the last one, which is UJ. Let's see if UJ qualified for for Forex. Okay, here it is here. That's the blueberry. Does it qualify for Forex, Judy?
No.
It's 10 pips.
It doesn't qualify for binary.
But that's one of the ones that trade real good on binary, okay?
Yeah, they trade that, don't they?
That's one of the favorite pairs, and it obeys binary real good. Even though it doesn't qualify now, I won't put it on there for the viewers, but we'll come back and turn it orange for ourselves, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So we'll know. So right now, I'll just analyze it in a 15-minute. It's done completed the first level. It reset it. Yeah, first level is completing the second level now. It's stuck in the middle of the second level. They ain't completed the third level. It's stuck in the middle of the second level, so it can go down to the third level. So this should be on the 4 hour. So it's 15-minute. There you go. First level. See that?
Mm-hmm.
And this is gonna be the third level. So 15-minute first level. Okay. It's in a sell trend. So we'll say right now it's selling. It came back to the blue. It's in a 15-minute sell trend. First level. Actually, yeah, it just completed the first level. 4 hours should be. See that? It's a 4 hour reset. That means it completed a level. Remember I said the first level it completed, it completed the first level. I'll show you what I'm talking about. See right here? This is at the beginning of the week last week. And it's almost about to complete, it completed this first level. See here? And it's going into a consolidation. This is a level right here.
Mm-hmm.
So it's completing that level. So that means it completed the first level on the 15-minute time frame. So if you go to the 4-hour time frame, it should be in a reset. Starting the first level and then watch. See how it is now? It's in a reset. It's in a.
You have to make it bigger. I can't see that.
See it now? Can you see it now?
No.
How
Oh,
about
that's better. Yeah, that's better.
See, it just completed that first level. See that consolidation?
Mm-hmm.
And this the first level. It completed. So 4-hour buy trend first level. So it tells me when I do take this when I get ready to trade this in binary, what direction will I be trading, Judy?
A sell.
When I get ready, when I see here, what trend is it in?
Oh no, it's in a buy. Sorry.
So when I get ready to trade binary, when it Sunday when it market open, what direction am I going to be trading?
Well, a buy, but it's crossed over, so it's.
But it's on the first level of that buy. How many levels?
Yeah, well, I don't understand. You have to tell me the levels. I don't understand the levels.
Okay,
but
so
looking at that now, it's crossed over.
It's crossed over, yes, ma'am. But remember, part of this blue wave strategy or the cycle, 3-day cycle tells you you should get 2 levels. It's gonna always go. It should go 3 levels before it turns around and to go to another direction in the trend. And you're just about guaranteed 2 levels. So if it completed the first level on the 4-hour, that means we should have 1 more buy level to go.
Okay.
Now, even though this is looking like it's in a sale, even though it's trying to cross over, remember it's just resetting. See how these EMAs are together?
Yeah.
It's just resetting. It may go and test this area here again because this is a zone. See, from here to here, when it starts pulling back, that's 1 level.
Mm-hmm.
These represent 1 level. And this is a zone in that level. Here's a zone right here, and then here's a zone. See?
Mm-hmm.
So it may go back and test that zone before it goes back up again.
Okay.
Now, it'll be a little clearer when I do this. I'm gonna sneak and do this real quick, and you'll see it.
What color are you putting on that?
Right, we'll go back and put it orange because we know it's gonna trade binary.
Okay.
But for right now, but I'm gonna do this. You'll see it when I do this. Come on. That's a buy, right? Now, remember on the strategy that Curtis taught us? When it's going in that when it's going in the direction of the trend, remember?
Yeah.
If it closes below this level here, you don't have to call it out. If it closes below that level, then that means this fib is what? Active.
Mm-hmm.
So if this fib is active, then that means that we can say now that we're in a legitimate buy trend and it closed below it. Now, that means that it may test this and go up, or it may come back down and hit this here. When if it come back down to this green, what do you think it's supposed to do?
It'll turn around.
And go back up.
Yeah.
It just don't test. So this tells us fib is active, and it's just right at this zone. Look at this right here. See here?
Mm-hmm.
That's a zone. That's why I said it's at a zone. So this is act. That's why I said it's going to be in a buy. It just may, remember I said it's going to come back and test that zone.
Yeah.
That's why I was able to see it. I've done it enough to where my eyes are trained to see that zone. Thank you, Curtis Cobain Branch. So to come back and test this zone, like I said, it'll probably come back to this here, and then it'll keep going and a buy. Okay. Now, if I go to the 15-minute, all these represent dojis. But look at this. See? That's why, and it tells me, I mean, and if I do this to make it easier, what I'll do is watch this. Now you'll really get it now. I'll go to most recent high, to most recent low, and then we'll be done, okay? Little bonus section here. Now we go to most recent high. Since this isn't a sale, watch this. I can tell you this is gonna be in a demand zone. I'm gonna make it small. I'm gonna make this here big. So what I'm gonna do is go from the most recent high to the most recent low, okay? And since this didn't come back and take this out and pull back, I'm just gonna go from here. And I need to. Now, see that, can you see that drop?
Yeah.
And it made a decision right at what? What line is this? 786.
786. Yeah.
See, that's legitimate drop. And other, I'll bring it all together for you, but that's why I said, well, I practiced it enough and done it enough, I can tell. Now it's in this here zone down here. Okay. So it's getting ready to do a turnaround. Watch this. Let me see. I'll go here. This is where it actually broke out. This confirms it even more when it first started. Look at that. Didn't it come back and test that 786?
Yeah.
That look clearer now for you to understand it?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's reset. It's in consolidation now. Now, watch this. This is why I tell you it may go back and turn around. So we did this in a sell direction. This is a bonus moment, okay? For anyone that's watching. Now I know that it's gonna turn back around and reset, because when I do this, now I'm gonna do the most recent low, the most recent high, okay? Now I'm gonna hide that where no one can see it. Watch this. Most recent low, most recent high. Now I need to see what is the lowest closing candle. We put this on the lowest closing candle, don't we, Judy?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the lowest closing candle. So I need to bring it up right there. Now, if the market comes to, let me turn this off so you can see. I'm gonna turn these off. Is that a little better?
Yeah.
Now, if the market comes back to here, what is it going to do if it comes back to here?
That could turn around.
And go where?
Up.
Okay. Now watch this. This represents the market line right here.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do, now when it gets to the 786, what it's supposed to do?
Turn around.
And what did you say before we drew this? When it's going to do what?
Turn around.
See how that strategy works to confirm what you said? And in turn, it's going to turn around and go in and buy. That's why I said on the 4 hour, I knew it was going to drop down to a certain zone and then turn around and go back up. And the 15-minute, you may not understand what you just did, but you just confirmed what I said on the 14 hour. On the 4 hour, you just confirmed on the 15-minute time frame that it's going to do that.
Yeah, that's true.
Judy, look at you. Did you know how to trade? It's just understanding, bringing everything together, understanding when to use what part of the principle.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah, that's cool. So this concludes, that was a bonus session. And that's another part of a strategy that we can teach you all to help you understand how to be a profitable trader in Forex and what other two markets we trade in, Judy?
Forex and binary and
What's the,
Delorean.
what other market do we trade in? Forex, binary, and what does Mr. Branch do?
Crypto and crypto.
Yes, so we do. We are all around traders. And say it again, what market, Judy?
So we have crypto, Forex, and binary.
Yes, Judy, you're gonna get a lot of people's attention in Australia when we start SEOing these things and marketing them. So this ends the Forex trading hit list for the week of October the 11th to October the 15th of the year 2020. I'm Tyree Thomas Jr. and I'm with my wonderful co-host, Miss, what is your name?
Judy Robin Gunn from Perth in Australia.
Yes, she balances me. I love me some Miss Judy Robin Gunn. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this. We've been on long enough. So I always like to end, and just in case this down here, Judy, Judy, do you have like about 10 more minutes after we get through?
Yeah.
I'm gonna explain how to use this to do binary, okay?
Okay.
Okay, motivation is temporary, inspiration is everlasting. God's word was written by men who were inspired by God. You can find that in 1 Timothy chapter 3, verse 16. And because I am a believer in God, I'm always I'm always inspired to live and do better and to help others in the process of living. So for them, life can become a better experience, so they can have a better experience in living life. We know that God speaks to us for those that believe in God. So he's saying through me, through Judy to you, he's saying, be blessed. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, let me end the stream. Let me see, go here. Would it let me stop streaming? Stop live. Oh, I could have copied the link, That's where I get the link from, Judy. Can you see that? You can't see that drop down. That's where I get the link from. Before I stop streaming, I'm going to post in you. Let me see something. Before I stop streaming, let me go here. Before I stop streaming, let me try this. I just got a stream link. That's the stream link we need.
Oh, that's the link. Yeah, we didn't get that before.
Yeah, now I know where to get it from. Would you mind going clicking on that real quick and see what it does, Judy? Okay. Before I stop the stream. And I'll take that out so it won't be confusing.
Oh yeah, it's on there.
It's streaming now. All right then, good.